everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to play hand cricket. It's a simple yet exciting game. Two players sit facing each other and use only one hand each. One acts as the batsman and the other as the bowler. Both players show a number at the same time. If both show the same number, the batsman is out. If the numbers are different, the batsman scores runs equal to the number he showed. After the batsman gets out, the roles are switched. The batsman becomes the bowler, and the bowler becomes the batsman. The player who scores the most runs wins the game. Before starting the game, a toss is conducted to decide who will play first. It can be done with a coin toss or through the odd-even method. In the odd-even method, both players simultaneously show any number between 1 and 6 with their hands. Add the two numbers together. If the total is odd, the player who chose odd wins. If it's even, the player who chose even wins. The player who wins the toss chooses whether to bat or bowl first. This is the basic version of the game. Only numbers from 1 to 6 are used here. The finger combinations are 1. Any one finger, except the thumb. 2. Two fingers, except the thumb. 3. Three fingers, except the thumb. 4. Four fingers, except the thumb. 5. All 5 fingers. 6. Only the thumb. Both players show their hand at the same time. If both show the same number, the batsman is out. If the numbers differ, the batsman gets runs equal to the number he showed. This is the advanced version of the game. Here, the numbers go from 1 to 9. The rules for 1 to 6 remain the same. 7. Thumb plus 1 finger. 8. Thumb plus 2 fingers. 9. Thumb plus 3 fingers. Before starting, a toss is done to decide who bats or bowls first. The out rule stays the same. If both players show the same number, the batsman is out. If the numbers differ, the batsman gets runs equal to the number he showed. To make the game more interesting, you can add some bonus rules. The first one is number 10. If you show your index finger slightly bent, it represents 10 runs. The second one is the mirror move. Here, the batsman bends the wrist downward and shows a fist. This is called the mirror move. In this move, the batsman gets runs equal to the number shown by the bowler. However, if the bowler shows 1, the batsman is out. You can add these extra rules to any version of the game to make it more fun. What do you think about the content? Thanks for watching.